explain impulse test performed on circuit breaker. So the impulse test, also called as the lightning impulse withstand test, is a dielectric type test performed on circuit breakers to verify their ability to withstand high voltage lightning surges. The surges are very steep, short duration, over voltages that appear on the power systems due to lightning strokes or switching surges. The test ensures the insulation of the circuit breaker that can withstand transient over voltages without any flashover or insulation breakdown. The test is carried out to check the insulation strength of the breaker under lightning type surges, to evaluate the impulse withstand capability of the bushings, contacts, interrupters and external insulation. Also to ensure reliable performance against very fast rising voltage transients and to detect the weak spots or say the hot spots, air gaps, voids, that is the deformation points or defects in the insulation. In this, the breaker is kept in open position. The high voltage impulse generator, that is Marx generator, produces the 1.2/50 microseconds waveform, that is the standard impulse waveform, is applied. The test is carried out or repeated for phase to earth, phase to phase and across the open contacts of the circuit breakers. A series of impulses like 3 positive polarity impulses and 3 negative polarity impulses are applied. Voltage is usually raised until the specified insulation withstand level, that is basic insulation level BIL, is reached. For 12 kilovolt breaker, around 75 kV peak applied. For 33 kV breaker, around 170 kilovolt peak is applied, and for 132 kV breakers, around 550 kilovolt peak voltage is applied. The circuit breaker passes the test if no flashover occurs, no internal breakdown noticed, no surface tracking or punctures, and insulation remains stable and free from partial discharge damages. If the flashover occurs externally, that is in the air, but not across the tested insulation, the test may be repeated again. It ensures the safe operation during lightning strikes. It provides the confidence in insulation coordination for the system, identifies the weakest or weak insulation points early in the manufacturing stage, and ensures the long-term dielectric reliability of the circuit breaker. So this is all about the impulse test performed on the circuit breaker.